In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the login failed error on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Login issues on Etsy usually happen because of incorrect credentials, security checks, or browser and connection problems. Now, if you want to fix the login failed issue on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by checking your email and password carefully. Make sure there are no typos, extra spaces, or caps lock issues. It's best to type everything manually instead of using autofill. Next, try resetting your password. Go to the login page of Etsy, click on Forgot Password, and follow the steps sent to your email to create a new one. After that, disable any VPN or proxy. Security systems may block logins from unusual locations, so switch to a normal home or mobile network before trying again. Then, clear your app or browser data. Close and reopen the app or clear cache and cookies in your browser. You can also try logging in using a private or incognito window or a different browser. Keep in mind that temporary login blocks can happen after multiple failed attempts, so waiting a few minutes before retrying can help. That's it. By correcting your login details, resetting your password, and removing connection issues, you can quickly fix the login failed error and access your Etsy account again.